everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys the inserts that we will be getting this Sunday, February 9th. Now please keep in mind everybody gets different inserts. I say as long as you guys, if you guys are starting a coupon, pay attention to what your inserts get in your area. I've been doing this for several years, so I know what I'm going to get and I know what I'm not going to get. It's kind of a disappointment, but then you guys can kind of figure out your hauls from there. But this is just kind of a general what this person's getting who posted it. This website is SundayCouponInserts.com. I really like this site. This is one of my favorite sites to share with you guys. But if you're ever trying to figure out your scenarios, you just, type in coupon inserts and it'll take you to different websites to show you guys what it is. But like I said, this is a general coupon preview, but it might be different than everybody gets. But we are getting one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. So here we're getting Advil. Most likely for the Advil, Robitussin Dime Tap, most likely there's going to be possibly a deal on Saving Star. Usually that's the way it is, so there could be some freebies with that. Barilla Pasta Sauce, we got $1. Buca de Beppos, we have one like a couple hours from us. Burt's Bees Toothpaste, we got $2 off. I'm assuming any two because it says any. Kids Toothpaste, 75 cents. CeraVe, $3 off any. I don't know why. When it says any, I'm assuming it's like two. I don't like it how they have that. Gain Flings, $1. Gain Flings for something, two different ones, but we got $2 off. Another $1 off. Okay, I was wrong in my Walgreens preview, but they are Garnier Fructis. We are getting 4 off of 2. Now they're on sale right now for buy one get one 50% off. Makes them $1 a piece. Pretty good deal. Garnier Whole Blends, 4 off of 2. Walgreens ad, it's going to make them $1.50 a piece. Greenies Homemade Simple Laundry Detergent. Never heard of that. L'Oreal, lots of L'Oreal. Got one buy one get one free. Okay, look at that. And then 4 off of 2, and then tons of L'Oreal. We're getting Maybelline. Look at that, $2 off. Nature's Bounty, 5 and 2, 2, 1. Persil, we're getting $2 off. Purina Bag & Strips, buy one get one free. Now those are also going to be buy one get one 50% off at Walgreens, so those might be a pretty good deal. Just share with you guys. If I can get a good deal, I'm going to share with you guys with that. Robitussin, $3 off. Soft Scrub, 75 cents. Tide Pods, $2, 50 cents for Tide Simply, and then $1 for the larger bins. And then this is what is going to be in the Smart Source. Airborne, Bosch & Lomb, Betty Crocker, 50 cents off at 2. Biore, Campbell's Soup, it looks like $1. Colgate, we're getting $1. Dannon, Okios, $1. Deslum Digestive Fiber One. Here's a KY, $2 off, $5 off. Yeah. I like how that pops up now. It's probably because everybody's getting ready for Valentine's Day. That's the only time I see that stuff advertised as Valentine's Day. Mucinex Nature Valley, $2 off. Sorry, I can't even read. Nature Valley, we got 50 cents off of any 2. Pediasure, $3, $5 off 2. Red Gold Refresh Tylenol, we got $1.50 off, and then Kotex, just $1. Not the greatest, another Kotex, $1. 75 cents off of Viva Paper Towels. World's Best Cat Formula, $4, and Zyrtec. So that is what is coming out in the inserts. We are also getting Almay and Revlon and Almay coupons. I don't know why it's not showing in there. I think it's just kind of a surprise. So there might be some really good deals coming up with that. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.